Hey, it's Anna with WTI, and if you are looking for a gorgeous, unique set of sheets, then you are going to love these ones.
If you have been wanting super soft, wrinkle-resistant sheets, then you are going to absolutely love these ones. They are Where the Polka Dots Roam, and it is by the Amadora Design Concepts Company. And these sheets, let me tell you, are so beautiful. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love all of the vibrant colors and the design of all these different flowers. They are so comfortable and durable, and I love that these king size that I have fit my bed so well. They have a 360-degree elastic on the fitted sheet, so they are staying in place while you sleep. I really love how they have made this high performance bedding that makes it so easy to care for, and they are easily machine washable. So you're going to be able to have a beautiful, comfortable set of sheets for years to come. I am so happy with these. They are so pretty, and I love the color palette that can go with virtually any bedroom. I think they are perfect.
So, dress up your bed with these beautiful sheets. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.